You're not stuck. You're repeating the same pattern. You want change, but your habits haven't changed. You want better results, but your daily actions look the same. Stuck is not a condition. It's a cycle. Wake up, scroll, delay, rush at the end of the day, feel guilty, repeat. That cycle feels normal. But normal doesn't mean productive. If you want different results, you need different structure, not motivation. Structure. Motivation fades. Structure stays. Instead of saying, I'll work when I feel ready, say, I work at this time every day. Small structure, repeated daily, creates momentum. Most people wait for clarity, but clarity comes from action, not thinking. The more you move, the clearer your direction becomes. The more you move, the clearer your direction becomes. Progress isn't dramatic. It's repetitive, boring, predictable. But repetition builds identity, and identity builds results. You don't rise to your goals. You fall to your systems. Fix the system. The results will follow. Silent Hustle Hub. Stay consistent.